Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to install MinGW Minimalist GNU for Windows. Before starting, if you are new to our channel, then hit the subscribe button for our upcoming videos. First of all, open Google Chrome and type MinGW compiler. Now select the first website. Now click on download button. Now click on save button. The file has been downloaded. Now open this file, click on install and continue. Now it will take some time. Now we have to select some packages. Select developer toolkit package. Select base package. Select GCC G++ package. At last select OBJC package. And click on installation and click on apply changes. Now apply. It will take some time. Now click on close button. Now we will set environment variables. To set environment variable, first of all go to local disk C, click on MinGW folder and then bin folder and copy this path. Now open system variables, click on environment variables, now go to path. Now click on new button and paste the path here. After adding, click on OK, then again click on OK. Now to check if MinGW is installed or not, go to command prompt and type G++ --version. And here you can see our MinGW compiler has been installed. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video then do like, share and subscribe our channel. For more videos stay tuned with Simplified Statistics by Chesta. Thank you for watching.